दिस इज हाउ आई यूज टू लुक लाइक। एंड जब उसने ये करना स्टार्ट किया तो मेरी आत्मा ही बाहर आ गई भाई। Actually, मैं पहले ऐसे वो नोज टिप्स एंड दैट व्हाट नॉट आई हैव ट्राइड फॉर व्हाइट हेड्स, दैट थिंग व्हिच यू डू. Oh my god, it hurts so much. I don't know how people do this. I genuinely want to ask every girl out there who has used this product. I so badly want to build my own community on YouTube. For me, it was like I was so scared to use this first time, but the first morning, my skin was like so glowy, and to my night scale. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now let's get unready with me and do my night skincare routine. Now before we move forward, little disclaimer that I'm not a skincare guru and all the products that I'm going to show or use in this video are not at all sponsored. I have bought all these products with my own money. No brand has paid me to do their promotion. As you can see, I'm not famous at all. But that's not the point. The thing is, कुछ products मेरे skin पे काम करते हैं, doesn't mean that will work the same for you. So these are the products that I use. Doesn't necessarily mean that you should use that too, or I am recommending you to use that. So yeah, that was that. Now let's get started. So ना बचपन से ही मैं ऐसे whenever I used to do my makeup or like skincare, I used to talk a lot while seeing myself in the mirror, like blah blah blah, like pretending that I am on a YouTube video. So I was waiting कि कभी तो मैं famous होंगी, फिर मैं अपना ऐसे skincare या फिर like morning routine, night skincare routine I will put. But then YouTube had some other plans. They changed their monetization terms. So I feel I'm no longer gonna be famous and my channel. Anyway, let's not go there. But anyway, like I feel like just like I'll put whatever I feel like now. I don't will wait that कि अब मैं famous होंगी तब मैं famous होंगी. Just like do whatever you want to do. So yeah, just like gonna put my thingy here. This is how my skin looks. Obviously, यहाँ पे light है, so you're not gonna like see all the pores and everything. But I will try to show you. So of course I have my pores and little bit of acne here. So this is the reality. And one more thing, I have combination skin. For the longest time I had oily skin. Back then when I was a teenager, this is how I used to look like. And I had, मुझे लगता था मेरी oily skin है तो मैं वो charcoal वाले mask and वो stripping वाले face washes, पता नहीं कौन से brand के I used to use. And because of that मेरी और भी ज़्यादा oily skin हो गई. Because as we know, the more we keep our skin dry, the more our skin produces oil. Then I started using moisturizer. तब जाके मेरी skin थोड़ी सी normal हुई. I used to go to the school without sunscreen. And this is how I used to look. So embarrassing. So touch wood, now my skin is great. Not great, I still do have acne here and there. But as such मुझे oily skin के अलावा लाइफ में कभी कोई स्किन प्रॉब्लम नहीं रही है. So yeah, so first up we're gonna remove our makeup, and for that I'm going to use this micellar water. Yeah, here we go. Very normal because Bioderma hasn't sponsored me yet. I'm just kidding. So just taking some product on the cotton pad, and first I'll go with the mascara. I have mascara on, so yeah. I so badly want to build my own community on YouTube and be very relatable, not like influencer. But I don't know when that day will come. I wish I have all the female audience. So I use one cotton pad hold for my mascara. कुछ भी हो जाए ये पूरा mascara नहीं निकलता. By the way, the mascara I'm using right now is using जो मैंने मस्कारा लगाया था वो था मार्स डबल ट्रिपल मस्कारा। आई फाइंड मुझे तो अच्छा ही लगा। हर मस्कारा का मसला यही है कि it doesn't get off easily. I want to try the tube mascara, but it's little expensive. So yeah. So one whole cotton pad has gone for mascara, as you can see. If you can see, yeah. So the other side, I'm gonna just again. Now, still see. You can go on for years and still your mascara won't get off. It's that. So yeah, after 50 साल बाद, so let's take one more cotton pad and remove the blush. By the way, just मैंने concealer, blush and mascara. Blush as in tint. Same tint here and same tint on the lips. So yeah. That's obviously with this it's not like कि सभी ही मतलब उतर ही जाएगा makeup. You have to cleanse as well. So this is how my skin looks without makeup. Now we're gonna double cleanse, which means we're gonna use the cleanser. And for cleanser I use, again I'm repeating, this is not a sponsored video, no one has paid me, and this is what I use. I have wet my skin, and for for cleanser I use this Minimalist. So this is Minimalist Glycolic 7% cleanser with vitamin B5 and whatnot. So just थोड़ा सा लेके I just do this. You just have to cleanse really well. It doesn't get foamy, but now that's how I like it, because I don't like कि जो face wash ऐसे करके लेते हैं. I hate that now. Now that I have look, now that I know कि कौन सी चीजें produces more oil, so I try to avoid that. So इसमें ज़्यादा foaming नहीं होती. So I'm just quickly gonna wash my face and come back here. Hello again. Now just like that. Now today is one of a kind day, because आज I will do, which I do once a week, which is exfoliating. So again disclaimer, I have very 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 sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin too, so even if you have normal skin, whenever you use new product, just make sure you do a patch test. तो पार्लर्स वगैरह में नहीं जाती, so तो क्लीन अप वगैरह भी नहीं होता, एंड दैट्स व्हाई मैंने सोचा कुछ नया ट्राई करते हैं, बिकॉज मैं भी थोड़ा बोर हो गई थी सिर्फ मॉइस्चराइजर लगाने. दो आई समटाइम्स यूज सैलिसिलिक एसिड, बिकॉज मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा वाइट हेड्स आते हैं, एंड जिनकी भी ऑयली स्किन है या फिर रही है उनको आई एम श्योर वाइट हेड्स का प्रॉब्लम रहा ही होगा. सो most of the time what I do is, this is Minimalist, not at all sponsored by Minimalist, you will feel like it is, but like as you can see ये पूरा almost like खाली हो चुका है. I don't know whether you will be able to see it or not, but ये almost, when I wash my face, जब ये skin dry रहती है तब I put like 2 drops here and here, because I have open pores here, so there are chances कि यहाँ पे भी like pores will not be clogged. So this is my usual routine. What I do is I put salicylic acid, then I put moisturizer, and I'm good to go. So today is a special day. I'm gonna use this Minimalist. This is Minimalist AHA/BHA 10% exfoliator. Now this is a exfoliator serum, not peel, chemical peel. So chemical peel ko after 10 minutes you have to like wash it off or like peel it off, whatever. But this is a serum, so you can put this overnight, but be very careful. You have to do a patch test, because 10% AHA/BHA is still a lot, and for me it was like I was so scared to use this first time, but the first morning my skin was like so glowy, so I use this once a week. but I'm not recommending you. I'm just telling you what I do. So I put very little amount, just like one, oh my god, two and three. Be very cautious, like you have to like put moisturizer around your ear for around your eyes first, so that it doesn't like get in your eyes. So just around my nose, and here I put this, and on my forehead. So make sure it doesn't go in your eyes. It suggests you to use 3 to 4 drops, and next morning you have to use sunscreen. Even if you don't use this, you have to use sunscreen, but still make sure you use sunscreen, because your skin get little sensitive and you need extra protection जब ये absorb हो जाता है. So I layer this up with the moisturizer. There is one more thing called sandwich method, where you put moisturizer, then your serum, and then again moisturizer. So you basically sandwich the thing in between. So on top of it, I'm gonna put my moisturizer. So for moisturizer, I use this Simple. I genuinely want to ask every girl out there who has used this product, do you feel कि इसका formula या फिर कुछ तो there is change? Like Simple के products are not, मतलब वैसे नहीं लग रहे जैसे पहले लगते थे. पता नहीं, it can be just my delusion or like my overthinking, but Simple was like one of the few brands जिसके products मुझे सूट करते थे. Otherwise मुझे सारे moisturizer काफी ज़्यादा heavy लगते थे, तो मैं moisturizer use ही नहीं कर पाती थी. But I don't know, मैंने इसके 5-6 डब्बे खाली कर लिए. डब्बे, this is the tube मैंने first time order किया. But do you also feel कि इसका कुछ तो change हुआ है? Like Simple के products थोड़े बहुत change हो गए. I could be wrong, but I just want to know your opinion. Like, am I crazy or like this is actually happening? So I just like, usually मैं बहुत ज़्यादा moisturizer लगाती हूँ, but इस पे I am putting a light layer, and मुझे usually ऐसा थोपना पसंद है moisturizer. Because for years I have skipped moisturizer, so I know the कीमत of it now. So yeah, just lightly I do this. I could be wrong, but this is just my opinion. For the longest time मैंने ये वाला lip balm मैं use करती थी. This is from Swiss Beauty, because मुझे lip balm ऐसे थोड़े से ग्लॉसी टाइप पसंद है, जो थोक के यू कैन स्लिप, मुझे वैसे टाइप पसंद है. इसका फॉर्मुलेशन मुझे अच्छा लग रहा था, बट आई somewhere started feeling like कि मेरे lips dark हो रहे. It can be because of lip liners and other products too, but मैंने 2-3 दिन ये use करना I stop, and then I can see like back to normal. But yeah, मैंने उसके लिए एक like this is minimalist. सारे products minimalist के लिए, but I genuinely like minimalist as a brand. So this is their LS Corbic, sorry for the pronunciation, has said 8% of lead treatment balm. So I feel कि ये pigmentation कम करती है. मेरे पहले भी ज़्यादा pigmented lips नहीं थे, but yeah, around here, around corners, मेरे पहले से बहुत मतलब pigmented lips है because of the lip liner could be. But yeah, the only drawback it has, it tastes horrible. And मुझे ऐसी आदत है ऐसे करने की. तो it tastes so bad, like so bad. तो मैं इसको avoid करती हूँ, मैं इसको ऐसे लगाती हूँ क्योंकि गलती से भी मेरे मुंह में ना जाए. It tastes horrible. ये था एक routine. Sometimes what I do is I cleanse my face, and then I use this minimalist niacinamide, just like here, 2 drops here, and then because it helps with the oily skin and yeah, for acne and oily throat. So ये actually मुझे collab में आया था. I won't lie, but obviously I have used it. मुझे अच्छा लगा, but More than that, I love salicylic acid because I could see a visible difference in my whiteheads. Usually मैं पहले ऐसे वो nose strips and that what not I have tried for whiteheads, that thing which you do. Oh my god, it hurts so much. I don't know how people do this. मैं एक बार पार्लर चली गई थी एंड भाई जब उसने उसके हाथ और वो जो मतलब वो जो ब्रश यूज किया फॉर, आई हैव सेंसिटिव स्किन, तो मेरा ऐसे पूरा थोबड़ा लाल लाल हो गया एंड देन उसके एंड जब उसने ये करना स्टार्ट किया तो मेरी आत्मा ही बाहर आ गई भाई. तब मैंने ऐसे शपथ ली कि इसके बाद कभी मैं पार्लर नहीं जाऊंगी. इवन आई शेव माई फेस एट होम, आई डू माई आईब्रोज with the shaving razor, so I don't go to the parlors anymore. So yeah, salicylic acid really helps with the whiteheads. You can use the minimalist का salicylic acid का वो cleanser. इसके पहले मैंने वही यूज किया था. Then I switched to simple face wash, but then मुझे लगा कि वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे moisture strip out कर रहा है. So I thought I would try something different. तो इस बार I got the minimalist का this one. Okay, so yeah. So that was it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like this video because I'm trying really hard. So this was my simple night care routine. So that was it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.